There has been a lot of flags when trying to send your money using your M-PESA SIM toolkit. When you get into your M-PESA SIM toolkit, you can notice during peak time, maybe in the evening, it has been close to impossible to be able to send money, either using direct M-PESA or sending the money through Pochi when using your phone. So an alternative way to do this in order to escape these lags, which is technically occurring during evenings hours when a lot of people usually make transaction using M-PESA, being one of the biggest platform which is being used by Kenya for fintech transaction. What you're supposed to do basically, an alternative way to access this and avoid these lags which are caused by M-PESA in the SIM toolkit, just get into your phone, then dial *334#, then click OK in your Safaricom SIM. Then what you're supposed to do, just come to where we have send money, click option 1. So you notice now you can be able to send money to any network, M-PESA Global or Pochi. So it basically, in a lot of businesses today, being Kenyans, we usually use Pochi to pay for a lot of transaction, maybe when using public transport vehicles or when paying some items in the shop or a grocery shop. What you're supposed to do is just click option 3. Then you can enter the number which you want to transact the money to. Then you can enter the amount here. Then you can enter your M-PESA PIN, but basically it usually display, don't know why. So you need to be sensitive about your PIN, and you will see the recipient of the money and then confirm. And after doing this, you never go wrong using this interface in when transferring money from your phone to another phone during peak hours until the Safaricom is able to reset to resume its normal operation and the system to avoid these lags which can inconvenience you, more so when paying for Kenyan public transport vehicles, which in some cases they can be hazard when you are not efficient in paying using a M-PESA and end up making a lot of loss. When you have send this money twice using your SIM M-PESA toolkit, and technically in some cases, if you get a bad out, you not get a refund. So thank you for watching and may God bless you.